Today we will talk about a government textile institute of Borishal known as Borishal Textile Engineering College. You can see the campus down the CNB road which links Borishal city to every corner of Bangladesh. The global textile industry is growing rapidly. Now it's touching $1.5 trillion and expected to reach about $2.6 trillion by 2030. The annual growth rate is 5.6% from 2021 to 2030. When it comes to Bangladeshi textile industry, textiles is one of the most significant sector of Bangladesh's economy, contributes about 13 to 15% of Bangladesh's total GDP. 80% of total exports comes from ready-made garments, which is known as RMGs. Bangladesh is the second largest exporters of ready-made garments after China. Bangladesh has over 4 million workers, with the majority being women. There are 10 textile colleges all over Bangladesh affiliated with Bangladesh University of Textiles. Borishal Textile College is one of them. Welcome to 8 Acres of Heaven, situated in the heart of Borishal city. Let's talk a little bit about the history. It has started the journey in 1980 as a textile institute, which provides 2 years diploma course. In the later part, to uplift the textile industry, it has started providing 3 years duration diploma in textile engineering. With this sequence, it started giving 4 years duration BSc in textile engineering certificate. The institute was established by People's Republic of Bangladesh in 1920, run by Bangladesh University of Textiles. There are 120 students per batch with skilled teachers and technicians. By holding their hands, qualified engineers is producing every single year. Now let's meet our esteemed teachers panel. At the center of our institution's success stands a visionary leader, our Honorable Engineer Muhammad Abdul Kader Bapari Sir, Principal of Borishal Textile Engineering College. Chief Instructor MD Nuzrul Islam Sir, Assistant Professor MD Selim Akhtar Sir, Assistant Professor Selim Molla Sir, Assistant Professor Abdul Wadud Sir, Assistant Professor Ilona Naz Ma'am, Assistant Professor Engineer Washima Mollik Ma'am, Lecturer Engineer Muhammad Maqsudur Rahman Sir, Lecturer Engineer MD Jahid Murad Shubho Sir, Lecturer Engineer Abir Adhikari Sir. Together, this remarkable panel of teachers forms the backbone of Borishal Textile Engineering College. Now let's talk about the departments. First of all, Yarn Engineering Department, Fabric Engineering Department, Word Process Engineering Department, and Apparel Engineering Department. For each department, we have specialized laboratories and skilled technicians. For Yarn Engineering Department, we have cotton spinning shed and jute spinning shed. In cotton spinning shed, raw cotton fibers are proceed through a series of mechanical operation to be converted into yarn or threads, which is then used for weaving or knitting into fabric. In jute spinning shed, we produce jute threads from raw jute fibers. We all know the significance of jute. We have a glorious past in 19th century, producing the highest amount of jute in the Asian subcontinent. Our scientist, Dr. Mubarak Ahmed Khan, who created Sonali bags. He is a scientist in Bangladesh Jute Mill Corporation BJMC. Sonali bag is replacing toxic polythene bags. The jute is an unconstituted golden fiber with huge potentials in global world. The first 2 lab was dedicated to Yarn Engineering Department, which is cotton spinning shed and jute spinning shed. And now we are in weaving and knitting shed, which is for Fabric Engineering Department. There is circular knitting machine and all of the machineries are very expensive. Some of them are very old and some of them are very new. Now we are heading towards dyeing and knitting shed, which is for Wet Process Engineering Department. Different machineries perform different style of dyeing. Winch dyeing machine and Ziegler dyeing machine is one of them. There is also a hydro extractor which removes excessive water from fabric. Our Apparel Engineering Lab stands as a gateway to the world of modern garments production, textile innovation, and industrial practice. We have all types of industrial sewing machines, pattern making and cutting machines, and much more. The lab allows students to transform theoretical knowledge into real, hands-on experience, preparing them for the fast-growing apparel and textile industry of Bangladesh. The Textile Testing and Quality Control Lab is the heart of ensuring apparel production standards. This lab allows students to examine, measure, and analyze the physical and chemical properties of fabric and garments. Here, theory meets real industrial testing, helping students understand how quality is maintained across every stage of production. We have well-constructed projector classroom with skilled teachers. Out of 10 textile engineering college, ours is the only one equipped with smart board classroom, a distinct advantage that fills us with pride and set us apart as a truly modern learning institute. Every year, skilled and qualified students graduate from this college, and they contribute to make remarkable contribution to the country's textile sector. Now let's talk about the festivals in our campus. We organize BTech Pitha Utsav each year with 70 different kind of pithas. Thousands of people gather in our campus to have the extraordinary taste of various kind of pitha. We students make those pithas and sell them by ourselves. BTech is one of the most organized and beautiful campus in Borishal city. There is no student politics and completely free from all kind of violence. It's just 8 acres of tiny little campus, but we are like a family and unite like a mold. Now let's move to the extraordinary activities of our campus. First of all, we have Prayash, which is dedicated to serve charity and humanity. Now let's talk about Uchchas, which arranged diversified cultural activities such as Kachamita Utsav. BTech Debating Club, which organizes debates and participates sessions to enhance critical thinking. We have Career Club BTech, which creates awareness about professional skill set and prepare for corporate life. We have BTech Blood Donors Club, which is committed to saving lives by donating blood and testing blood groups. We have Shui Shuta for art and craft exhibition. Lightbox, BTech Photography Society, which covers exciting campus events and highlights our campus. We have BTech Sports Club, which is dedicated to organize different sports activities. BTech Language Club, focus on enhancing English language skills and increase fluency in communication. BTech Radio, which broadcast different entertainment programs. Then Science and Research Club BTech, which is committed to thrive innovation through impactful research. This is for the first time in the history of Textile College. Jamalpur Textile Engineering College arranged a football tournament named Tech Championship 2024, where 9 textile colleges around Bangladesh participated. We became the champion for the first time and uplifted the champion's trophy. Now let's talk about accommodations. Shere Bangla Hall for the boys and Aparajita Hall for the girls. We have hall facilities with 156 seats for boys and full residential accommodation for the girls. You also have 2 extensions, almost 60 extra seats. You also have a huge lake in front of boys hall with stunning walkway. You will fall in love with BTech campus, so buckle up and enjoy your campus life. Thank you. Here are some valuable words from our Honorable Principal Sir, Engineer Muhammad Abdul Qadir Bapari Sir.
বিসমিল্লাহিররহমানিররহিম। বরিশাল টেক্সটাইল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজ এখন দক্ষিণ বাংলার উচ্চ শিক্ষার অন্যতম কারিগরি বিদ্যাপীঠ হিসেবে পরিচিত। প্রায় 8 একর জমির উপর এই প্রতিষ্ঠানটিতে রয়েছে দৃষ্টিনন্দন অবকাঠামো, রয়েছে দক্ষ শিক্ষক, অত্যাধুনিক যন্ত্রপাতি, যা দৃষ্টিনন্দন মনোরম পরিবেশে সুসজ্জিত। এই কলেজটি একটি সুশৃঙ্খল প্রতিষ্ঠান। এখানে ছাত্রছাত্রী, শিক্ষক, কর্মচারী সকলে অত্যন্ত সুশৃঙ্খলভাবে সকলের দায়িত্ব পালন করে থাকেন। এটা আমার ভালো লাগার বিষয়। আমার বিশ্বাস এই কলেজ থেকে পাশ করা প্রকৌশলীরা ভবিষ্যতে দেশের উন্নয়নে, সমাজের উন্নয়নে, জাতির উন্নয়নে অবদান রাখবে এবং দেশের অর্থনৈতিক ভিত মজবুত করার জন্য যথেষ্ট ভূমিকা রাখবে। এই কলেজ থেকে পাশ করা ছাত্রছাত্রীরা কেউ বেকার থাকে না। ছাত্রছাত্রীদের দেশের বিভিন্ন টেক্সটাইল শিল্প কারখানায় চাকরির সুযোগ রয়েছে। বেসরকারি খাতের পাশাপাশি সরকারি চাকরি ও উচ্চ শিক্ষায় মেধার স্বাক্ষর রেখেছে আমাদের শিক্ষার্থীরা। আপনারা জেনে খুশি হবেন 41তম BCS এ এই কলেজের শিক্ষার্থী অ্যাডমিন ক্যাডারে নবম স্থান অধিকার করেছে। 43তম BCS এ অ্যাডমিন ক্যাডারে 2 জন শিক্ষার্থীর সফলতার স্বাক্ষর রেখেছে। কলেজটি 2019 ও 2023 সালে বরিশাল জেলায় বিজয় দিবসে আলোকসজ্জায় যথাক্রমে প্রথম ও তৃতীয় স্থান অধিকার করেছে। 2020 ও 21 শিক্ষাবর্ষে শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানটি বস্ত্র অধিদপ্তর কর্তৃক শ্রেষ্ঠ প্রতিষ্ঠান হিসেবে পুরস্কৃত হয়েছে। এছাড়াও এই শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানটি বার্ষিক কর্ম সম্পাদন চুক্তি অনুযায়ী ফলাফলের ভিত্তিতে 2020 ও 21 শিক্ষাবর্ষে বস্ত্র অধিদপ্তর মূল্যায়নে শীর্ষ স্থান অধিকার করেছে। 8টি টেক্সটাইল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজের মধ্যে ফুটবলের টেক চ্যাম্পিয়ন লিগে আমাদের ছাত্রছাত্রীরা চ্যাম্পিয়ন ট্রফি অর্জন করে। ভবিষ্যতে এই কলেজ আরো সামনে এগিয়ে যাবে এবং দক্ষিণ বাংলার শ্রেষ্ঠ বিদ্যাপীঠ হিসেবে আত্মপ্রকাশ করবে, এটাই আমার বিশ্বাস। আমি এই কলেজের সকল শিক্ষক, কর্মচারী, ছাত্রছাত্রী সকলকে সাধুবাদ জানাই এবং কলেজের সার্বিক উন্নতি হবে এই আশাবাদ ব্যক্ত করে আমার সংক্ষিপ্ত বক্তব্য এখানেই শেষ করছি। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।